I am here on the roof of Judge Memorial, where we have just installed a brand new kiln for the Judge Art Department. The old kiln was about 30 years old and had to be repaired multiple times by Mr. Bettin himself.
What am I looking forward to? I'm looking forward to students increasing their talents. I'm looking for a great finish to the year. I'm looking forward to finally getting our kiln up and running, which is not, but we're getting closer. Things like that.
For an expensive project like this, money has to come from somewhere, and the art department was lucky enough to receive many grants from supporters of Judge Memorial.